at a poem from Savi Kannada grade 4. The name of the poem is Kannadammana Harake. It is written by Kuvenpu. Harake means blessings. Kannadammana Harake means Mother Karnataka's blessings. So the poet in this poem, he is conveying a message to us, the children of Karnataka, that we have to struggle and protect this beautiful language of Kannada. So let us look at the poem. ಕನ್ನಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋರಾಡು ಕನ್ನಡದ ಕಂದ ಕನ್ನಡವ ಕಾಪಾಡು ನನ್ನ ಆನಂದ. ಹೋರಾಡು means fight or struggle. Kanda is a affectionate way of telling child. Kapadu, protect. Nanna Ananda, like it's like again affectionate way of calling a child, like saying dear. So in the first paragraph, the poet is telling us that we have to fight and struggle for Kannada. O children or O child of Kannada, Karnataka, you have to fight and struggle for Kannada. And Kannadava Kapadu Nanna Ananda. My dear, my child, please also protect Kannada. So the first paragraph is, the children of Karnataka, you have to fight and struggle for Kannada, and you also have to protect this language. Then the next paragraph, Jogulada harake idu, marayadiru chinna, marateyadare ayyo, maretante nanna. So Jogula means lullaby, a song which a mother sings for a baby when she is trying to put the baby to sleep. Mare yadiru means do not forget, and marate yadare means if you forget. So here, just like how when a mother usually sings a lullaby, she sings a song to put the baby to sleep. So in the lullaby, in her song, the lullaby which is in the form of a song, the mother is telling the child, do not forget Kannada. If you forget, then it is as good as forgetting your own mother. Okay, then the next one. Molaya halentante savijenu baige, tai appugeyante balusogasu maige. So this paragraph is explaining how beautiful and how sweet the language is. So just like mother's milk, and just like sweet honey, Kannada tastes so nice. When you speak Kannada, you feel like it is tasting like mother's milk and honey. And you also feel delighted, like as though your mother is hugging you. You feel so nice when you speak this language. Then, Guruve nolnudiyante shreyassu balge, tai nudige dudidu madi iha paragalelige. So, like teachers and elders, they advise us. They advise for our good so that we prosper and have great success in life. So working hard for Kannada also will give you the prosperity. So the poet is telling us, work hard until you die. Until you leave this mortal world, work hard for Kannada. Then, ದಮ್ಮಯ್ಯ ಕಂದಯ್ಯ ಬೇಡುವೆನು ನಿನ್ನ ಕನ್ನಡಮ್ಮನ ಹರಕೆ ಮರೆಯದಿರು ಚಿನ್ನ. ದಮ್ಮಯ್ಯ means humble request. Bedu means I am pleading. So the poet is telling, I am requesting, I am making a humble request, I am pleading you that do not forget Kannada. Then the next last paragraph, ಮರತೆಯಾದರೆ ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಮರೆತಂತೆ ನನ್ನ ಹೋರಾಡು ಕನ್ನಡಕ್ಕೆ ಕಲಿಯಾಗಿರನ್ನ. So the Mother Karnataka is telling us, if you forget me, it's as good as forgetting your mother. You have to struggle, be a hero, and struggle for the language. Struggle and protect Kannada.